Hello, everyone. My name is Jasmine Nelson. I am a senior psychology major from Chesapeake, Virginia, and my study is based off of drug effects. So the definition of drug effects is the changes a drug produces in animals and humans, physiological processes, and behavior. So the drugs that I'm going to be using in my study is cocaine, marijuana, and heroin. So cocaine. Cocaine is classified as a stimulant and it can be inserted into your body, into the brain, orally, intranasally, intravenously, and by inhalation. So intravenously meaning that it can be inserted through the vein through IV, and through inhalation meaning that it can be snorted. Most people like to snort cocaine, and so I would say that that's one of the popular ways that cocaine can be entered into your system. Now, for marijuana is classified as a hallucinogen, and so the way how people take marijuana is that they can roll it up when it's like dry and brittle. They put it into like a certain type of paper and they make it into a cigarette where they can smoke it. That has also been vaped. They can inhale it through vaping, and also it can be baked into edibles like brownies, cookies, and certain desserts. Now, heroin is a drug that's classified as an opioid. And the way how this opioid is entered into the system and the way how it's entered into the brain is that people inject it through the vein, which is which is one of the fastest ways how it can get into the system. So in my study, I'm going to be randomly selecting 12 participants, 6 African Americans and 6 Caucasians. 3 of my African Americans will be male, 3 of my Caucasian participants will be males, 3 of my female participants will be African American, and another 3 of my female participants will be Caucasian. So the way how my procedure will work is that the participants will be randomly selected, placed into groups. One group will be infused with cocaine, the second group will be infused with marijuana, and the third group will be infused with heroin, and the fourth group will be infused with the placebo. Once the participants have been infused, each participant will receive a colored marker. So the colored markers that I would like to use for this study is for cocaine will be the marker that they will be using in yellow. So the markers that I would like to use will be like a little cloth. They'll be given like a little cloth like marker. And so once the once my participants who have been infused with cocaine, they will receive a yellow marker. My participants who will be infused with marijuana will have a green marker. And my participants who will be infused with heroin will receive a blue marker. And for my placebo group, they will be receiving a purple marker. And once the participants have been infused, once they've gotten their markers, they will they will receive a dye, which will help with the imaging with the PET scan. So a PET scan will be involved in this study to get images of the brain. So my future implications and limitations. So instead of using markers, I would like to use wristbands, like hospital wristbands, that will have the participant that will help show which drug has been like inserted like into the participant's system. Another one would be so instead of using a PET scan, I would like to use an fMRI. So, but a PET scan is known to be like the cheapest route, and the fMRI is known to be the more like expensive route. So I would like to expand the study by using an MRI. And here on the screen is the references. This is the literature that I used for my study. Here's some previous research. This concludes my presentation. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.